My name is Marie Polito, and I'm also in the 11th grade.
My name is Hector Espinoza, and I am in the 12th grade.
I was a defense attorney. I was lead defense attorney.
I was lead prosecution attorney. First of all, it was a desert case, and the guy was bit by a rattlesnake, and then there was like a rocky relationship between the tenant, Jamie Kobe, and like the landowner, which was Eric Smith. What was your reasoning, your legal theory?
Our legal theory was that Jamie Kobe was an innocent, very mama boy who was provoked and then could not commit this act, but was framed for it.
And the prosecution's case theory was that he obviously did it. He was a famous gardener, and he obviously didn't have a good relationship with Eric Smith. So there was a clear motive. So we're like, guys, come on. He obviously did it. And yeah, that was our case. That was really fun.
Yeah, so defense went first. It was really interesting since it was all virtual. We were all in the library together. Everything worked out fine, but I think it would be a very different experience had we gone into the courtroom, which is what mock trial normally does. And obviously it was our first time having something like this for PMA, so it was definitely out of our comfort zones, I'd say. And you know, as lead attorney, it was kind of hectic and chaotic because obviously we're on Zoom, so it was important to make sure everybody's mic was off and that everybody knew their cue and that everybody was going at the exact same time. So it was definitely something different.
I like to know the defense. I'm calling them defense because they're defense. But they went up against one of the top schools in the LA County, and they did.
Oh, my apologies. They placed top 4 in all of California.
The last time, but the PMA defense, the first time doing it, actually did a really good job, and I'm really proud of the defense team. And yeah, I just think that we have a strong potential, and I'm proud and glad that these are juniors and they're still going to do this next year. Unfortunately for me, I'm a senior and I won't be able to do this, but my experience, it was very fun. And doing this only made me more excited to be a prosecution attorney because that's actually what I want to do. I want to be a criminal attorney.
PMA launched its first dual enrollment course, Introduction to Law. Dual enrollment courses are taught by Cerritos College professors on our campus and allows our warriors to earn both college units and high school credits. Next year, PMA will launch a comprehensive early college dual enrollment program for the class of 2026. We are very excited to have partnered with Cerritos College.
We didn't plan it, but this class really coincided with mock trial. So all the terms they were using in mock trial, I knew what they were talking about.
Yeah, it's definitely a challenge. You know, it challenged me because, like I mentioned before, I wasn't really too familiar with law. But it's definitely gave me that inside perspective, and you know, now that I go back to watch those law shows, I can be like, I know what they're talking about, what acquitting means, and you know what he's being charged with, and you know, I definitely enjoyed it. And to our professor, she's great. She's a defense attorney, correct?
And compensation.
Yeah, defense attorney. So she very much has that fire and that passion, and you know, ignites me to really pursue what I want to do. It's great.
Yeah, shout out to Miss Chillin.
It's very textbook based, so there's a lot of reading involved. But it's not a difficult class. You just need to apply yourself. They're really willing to listen to you. You know, students are very involved in the school and very well-rounded. You know, there's sports. There's something for everybody here. So I really like that.
And if there isn't something, the students can make something for it. Like we didn't have mock trial. I mean, I don't want to say we came together and decided, but we came. I didn't know these kids, and they're like very smart. But we came together to help make it a real thing, and I think that's just it. Go Warriors!